These three planes can literally fly across the planet without stopping. Number 1, the Airbus A350-900ULR. This aircraft can fly about 9,700 nautical miles. That's why it operates non-stop flights like Singapore to New York, nearly 19 hours in the air. Number 2, the Boeing 777-8. Designed to fly around 8,700 nautical miles, it's built for ultra-long haul routes with massive passenger capacity. Number 3, the Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. With a range of roughly 7,600 nautical miles, it connects cities that once required layovers. These aircraft aren't just machines. They're shrinking the world, one non-stop flight at a time.